Kanara. Hit your button when you're ready. And we'll start in 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh boy, I'm just waiting for him to hit the steel bar. Utopia going in for the... Oh, I thought he was going to go and try and hit SlamWOW. Well, he could right now. Trying to end him quickly before he ends up having to go against the weapon, but not quite. SlamWOW trying to get himself out of the corner, unable to, as HyperSchlock hits the side of Utopia, now going tip to tip on the weapons, and chunks of metal flying off of it as SlamWOW comes in butt first. Oh my goodness, and half of HyperSchlock just disappeared as Utopia ripped off both right side wheels and flipped it upside down. There's now pieces everywhere. The one working wheel from SlamWOW is now gone, and I think Utopia is sitting on a screw. Probably the screws that just came out of HyperSchlock, which is now down to one wheel. I think it was the wheel that wasn't working. Utopia's dancing because despite the useless help of his steel rod, the winner is Utopia. Double knockout. Congratulations, Dennis. Oh my gosh. HyperSchlock's case is completely bent open. There are bits everywhere. This is what Utopia does. This is the Utopia we know and love, who has won so many first places over the years by doing exactly this. A knockout in less than 1 minute. Double knockout in this case.